Welcome back, students. Now let's move further towards our next topic, possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns show possession or that something belongs to someone. Or we can say possessive pronouns show who is the owner of something, to own something or to have something. Let's see these examples. This bag belongs to me. It is mine. It means I am the owner of this bag. This book belongs to Lata. It is hers. It means this book is Lata's. Lata is the owner of this book. It is our house. It is ours. Means we are the owner of this house as it belongs to us. These are your pencils. They are yours. It means you are the owner of these pencils. It is their cat. It is theirs. It means they are the owner of this cat. Now one notable thing is given here, that possessive pronouns are never placed before nouns. As you can see here, these possessive pronouns, mine, hers, ours, yours and theirs, these are all placed after the verb. Now here is a table with subject pronouns and the corresponding possessive pronouns. As you know, in a sentence, subject and object, two things are there. So let us see here. Here two columns are given of subject pronoun and possessive pronouns. Subject pronoun I and the object will be mine. If in a sentence there is the subject is you, its object will be yours. He, his, she, hers, it, its, we, ours, you, yours, they, theirs. If these are the subjects, the objects will be these. Now let's see the exercises. In this exercise, you have to choose the correct possessive pronouns to complete these sentences. The first one has been done for you, so let's start from the second. The vase was gifted to us, it is ours. I wrote this poem, it is mine. Samira and Saina won this prize, it is theirs. In the fourth sentence, in place of Samira and Saina, we can also use the pronoun they. Fifth, Anand made this painting, it is his. This is a gift for you, it is yours. Exercise D. Complete these sentences with the correct possessive pronouns. The first one has been done for you. The second one is, I have had my breakfast, but Sandhya is yet to have hers. We gave them our telephone number and they gave us theirs. Fourth sentence, did you lose your red scarf? Is the scarf yours? Fifth, Arun is drawing with some crayons, but they are not his. He borrowed them from Nisha. Sixth sentence, this is not our package. We will receive ours tomorrow. Now there is another topic, demonstrative pronouns. So let us see what are demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are used to point out to something special or specific or particular. These pronouns also tell us whether something is near or far. This, that, these and those are demonstrative pronouns. These pronouns are used to point out something, to show something. We use this, singular, and these, plural, for people and things near the speaker. So if something is nearer to us, we use the demonstrative pronouns this and these, this in singular and these in plural. For example, this is my pen means there is a pen and which is near to the speaker, and the speaker is saying this is my pen. And in the second sentence, these are my pens, it means the speaker has so many pens. We use that singular and those plural for people and things that are far away. That is my notebook. Those are my notebooks. Means if there is a single notebook and that is a little farther from the speaker will say that is my notebook, pointing out towards the notebook. The speaker will say that is my notebook. And if so many books are there, the speaker will point out towards all the notebooks and the speaker will say those are my notebooks. Here one notable thing is there. When this, that, these and those are used before a noun, they are adjectives. When this, that, these and those are not followed by a noun, they act as pronouns. So here difference is there. Difference is given between adjective and pronouns. If these demonstrative words are placed before the noun, they act as an adjective. But when these words are not followed by a noun, they act as a pronouns. Read the examples given in the table below. Adjective, here it will be more clear. Two columns are there of adjective and demonstrative pronoun. Let us see the first one. This book is new. As you can see here, the demonstrative pronoun, this is used before a noun, book. So definitely it will be an adjective. In the second column, this is my book. Here the demonstrative pronoun is used before a verb. So here we will call it as a demonstrative pronoun. These books are new. These are new books. That clock is old. That is an old clock. Those flowers are lovely. Those are lovely flowers. So just remember this note and everything will be clear to you. Let us move towards the exercise E. Choose the correct demonstrative pronouns to complete the sentences. Here in this exercise you have to choose the correct demonstrative pronouns, whichever is suitable here. In exercise F, you have to underline the pronouns in these sentences which are given here, and then you have to write P for personal pronouns, PO for possessive pronouns, and D for demonstrative pronouns. See the first one. Akila said it was yours. This is possessive pronouns. As you can see here, the word yours is used after the verb. In the second sentence, I is personal pronoun. In the third one, them is also a personal pronoun. Fourth one is the demonstrative pronoun. Fifth one is a personal pronoun. In the sixth sentence, those. The word those is a demonstrative pronoun. Seventh one, mine, is a possessive pronoun. In the eighth one, it is also a personal pronoun. Exercise G. Complete the following story using suitable pronouns. Here one story is given in which you have to use the pronouns to complete it. So just complete it with the help of the PDF, and definitely you will enjoy this story.